How to find drone images. There are many ways to find drone images on Soar.Earth. One is to click the Drone tab. This tab shows a few featured drone images within it, which can be clicked to jump to that map location. While the tab is open, all drone images are represented on the map as pins. Simply zoom in to your desired location and click on a pin to view it. Another option is to use the search bar to type a location. Choose from a list of results and the map will zoom to the area of interest, letting you select a drone image when there. The third option is to use the Explore button. Select the Type tab and check Drone. This will filter out everything except for drone images.